Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Peter with PDesignWorks.com. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to create a pressing iron vector illustration. Pete Designs is all about giving you guys step-by-step tutorials on how to use both Photoshop and Illustrator softwares to create outstanding graphics design works. From logo and illustration tutorials to effects and image retouching tutorials, all at Pete Designs. If you know that is the kind of content you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so as not to miss any future updates. Let's get right into it. So here we are now in Illustrator. What we have here is a 1920 by 1080 pixel artboard and the colors I will use for the illustration. So here's the colors, here's the highlights, and here are the shadows. So the first thing we'll do is bring in our image. Our image is on my desktop, so this is it. Just drag it in like this. So we'll scale it up a bit. So we'll go to the layers panel and then we'll click this place so that to turn it to a template. So reduce it to 80% dim like this. So now we won't be able to draw on it like this. So the first thing we'll do now is to create our outlines first. So we'll create a new layer, name it lines. So we'll go to select our stroke, black, remove our fill. We'll be using a stroke weight of 4. So we'll use our pen tool, select the pen tool, and then we start drawing the outline. So before that, check if your stroke is in a rounded cap and rounded corners. So then we start like this. Okay. So we'll draw the first part like this. So we'll keep drawing them in different parts like this. So as you can see, I drew from inside the shape like this outside. So that's how all your lines should be. All lines should be closed. So that when we are coloring it will be easier. So we'll continue. Okay, so remove this part again. Escape. Now we use the circle ellipse tool here, like this. We change the stroke to 3 for it. Shape that to move this part here. Okay. Remove the bottom part. Okay, left for this place. So use the circle tool as well. Okay, I think we're done. Now let's use the shape builder tool to remove the unwanted parts. Okay, I think we are done here. And check. And I think we are done now. So the next thing now is to add colors to the outlines. So to do that, we'll select on everything, object, expand appearance, object, expand. Make sure these two are ticked and then OK. So you select on everything and then Pathfinder and then merge it. So now they are one single shape like this. Now you go to your layers panel and duplicate your lines by pulling it here. So you lock this first one. So this is the one we're working with now. So you create a rectangle with the base color. So let's select the base color first. So this will be our base color. So that you select this and then create a rectangle and drag like that. So you send it to the back, arrange, send to back, drag on top, Pathfinder, and then merge it together. So now when we right click and isolate selected group, we can easily delete the unwanted parts we don't want. So, and we can recolor the artwork now as we want it. So delete this middle parts. So we don't want that. So this is the normal part we want. So we'll give them their appropriate colors. So this one is this color. This color. This one is this color. I think that's all the coloring that we need. Escape. The next thing now is to create highlights and shadows. So to do that, you go to your layers panel, you create another layer, new layer, and then you name it shadows. So you drag it beneath this lines copy. So now we'll select the color we want to use for the highlight first. So the way I'm doing it, my light is coming from the upper left part. So this side will portray some highlights. So to select the highlights, use your eyedropper tool and then select the highlights. So you make sure the shadows is on the shadows layer, then select your pen tool and start drawing. Drag on everything, shape builder tool and delete the unwanted parts. First highlight, for the second one, draw another one here. Make sure your shadow is selected. Instead of using fill, you can use stroke for this. Increase the stroke. Select 20 and change it to this shape. You draw another highlight here. So you switch back to stroke. You can draw another stroke here. Highlights. So now we'll draw the shadow part here. So select the shadow of the blue. Make sure nothing is selected. Select the shadow and then select your pen tool. Then we'll draw the shadow. Sorry, this will be this color since it's the blue. I have to expand this. So I think it's looking better now. So we'll draw another shadow here. There should also be a shadow and highlight here. The shadow will be at the right side. And I think we're done. So if you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And please remember to like as well so as to help others find this video. Also subscribe so as not to miss more content like this in the future. Thank you.